funs and freaks. Hello, funs and freaks. Hello, internet. Today we're gonna... How many of you are there? Time for some epic PvPing montage. Yeah, so he's friends with US? I would expect that. Oh crap. Nee, freaking. Oh my god. Finnish is deadly. Oh! Quick scope! Another quick scope. I've done the second quick scope I've done this week. I just quick scoped him back to the floor. So, dang, I missed. Hey! What the freak? Oh, he was ready for me. Not anymore. There you go, he's out. He's out like a light turn. You're out. And we broke your ankles. Yeah, we broke your ankles. Get wrecked in PvP. Get wrecked in PvP. I'm too close to you for that. I'm too close to you. And you screwed up. God, oh, he is angry. Finnish is angry. Finnish is mad. I call Finnish Finnish because, well, it sounds cool, like Finnish. Because Finnish is a weird state. Back up from who? I actually killed him by accident. Sorry about that, Finnish. The wolves are attacking! Not really, though. The wolves are attacking is gonna be like in the freaking meme boards, I swear. Oh, shh! No, you freaking no scoop! No scooping! Oh, crap. Somebody's over there. Somebody has a gun. Is he gonna get sniped? Dang it, he got me. He got me. I'm not letting him get me a second time because it's a dumb place to stand. Come out! I already shot the base, so you're still dead. I have extremely high mobility. Is there a... That's Eldre. Kill Eldre, because Eldre's not good at the game. I'm gonna... Oh, that's Eldre. Who's the robot, the guy, then? It's not Eldre. It's... Oh, I know him. He's player 9. Yeah, he left the game. I'd say I'm unit 3, probably. I'm probably unit 7 or 8. I'm the newest unit to the team. Everybody's been here since 2017. I've been here for like a shorter time. I no-scoped him to the ground. Oh, frick. His grenades have reached somebody. They've reached somebody. Oh my god, get your ankles. Frickin' German done executed him. He done get executed. He had a sword. Dang, he got executed. Frick. What is happening? What is happening? Fricking, oh my god, I walked right into one of German's bombs. Finnish is like, he always stands with that stern look on his face. Finnish is tough. I'm just weaker. I have a low HP, but a high mobility. German's taking all these giant hits while I'm taking one, like, little slap. But I move very fast, so I make up for it because of speed. I make up in speed. Because I'm often held in close corners. Oh. Oh, I don't think that's a safe place to AFK. I'm gonna ruin it. I'm gonna make it. Don't AFK there. No. Don't AFK there. You're back from the AFK. Oh, sugar. I got him while he's lagging. There's still a lot of people. Are they back at the base? Did they create a new base or something? Oh, they're modifying it. I'll go get them for you, German. I'll go get them. I'm a silent killer. He is about to have a bad time. The Federation does not empty promises to the table. Bring empty promises? Yeah, they don't. They shouldn't either. Oh crap! Psych! I almost killed German. By accident, too. Oh my god, he sniped me! I saw him shifting. I have eagle eyes. I can see from a very far distance. Wrong guy. Is he here? Take it, you son of a B word. Take it. Take what? You at. Ooh, weaving back and forth. Weaving back and forth. Oh. Ah! He's behind me. Sniper? I could tell he knows I'm a sniper. I know I'm good at the game. Please don't ask like Soviet Russia. Soviet Russia. Not anymore. Gotta get out. Ah, frick! Hey, at least he died too. Frick. Don't, you're not escaping on the plane. He escaped on the plane. Sorry! Oh, frick. What do you want, German? What is it? What is it? What do you want? Yes. Yes, I do. 34 kills, BT took. I'm kidding about the 34 kills part. I can't kill that many people in a second. Yes. Yeah. Who's Finnish soldier? Don't he say hello, not hello, like hello. Say milk and then milkshake. It's really hard. Hey, what's up, Russell? He calls Russian. Oh crap! My high mobility speed does sometimes make me end up in weird places. I have a high movement speed, like a very high movement speed. Holy crap! Nukurama, mother... I got him off guard. Oh, frick. All I have to do is just walk up to you and you can't go through them or nothing. Who's fake German? What the freak?